at B&Q and we're going to buy like pillows and all. Right now, I'm looking at the pillows. These are the pillows. And there you go. Apparently, we're going to Ikea tomorrow, so we'll buy more stuff there. And hopefully, we're done and we can relax because the house right now is very dusty. So. How much do you think this will all be?
150.
I go for 175 pounds. How much do you think our groceries will be? 130 something. Okay. Hi guys, so I'm not done cleaning the kitchen, but I'm really hungry. My dad has been cooking, and I took bites. They're moving around the bed, and this is my parents' room.
Guys, do you like
It's set already. Oh my god, it's so nice.
Thank you.
Look, it's Lilo and Stitch.
Yeah.
I look so dead right now, but trust me,
Subscribe
it's
if you
okay.
like.
What we're planning to do tomorrow is we're going to go to Ikea because we're lacking a lot of things. Like, okay, we have plates, alright, but we only have 2 cups and no spoon and forks. And then I also organized the fridge. It's a bit empty right now, but that's just because we don't really need a lot.
Plastic.
And then this is our snack cabinet. And so we have kebab, eggs, and noodles. Oh, there's also rice.
This is our menu for tonight.
And we don't have Wi-Fi yet. This is a disaster! So, update. I'm gonna go wash up and sleep. So I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Good morning! To go pick up my desk, and then we're going to Ikea. Got my desk, and oh look, it's a train. I have to figure out how I'm gonna fix this. This is the one I want, or this one, but it's really big actually, and it's December 23. Cheesecake. Got our food, fish and chips, cheesecake, onion rings, pasta. So we're gonna eat now. The cheesecake is good though. We bought these cups, 3 of these and 4 white. Unfortunately, they don't have the smaller version of this, which was 25, and they said they're coming back on the 20th. They're gonna get what? They're gonna be in stock on the 27th, so I'm not gonna get it. Maybe I'll purchase it online. And yeah. So, along with my desk, I got a pegboard. Oh, and I was planning to put it here on the side or like here. But either ways, it's gonna look really nice. I'm assembling this mirror because I don't have a mirror in this room, and doing my makeup is such a pain because I have to go all the way to my mom's room. Actually, in Dubai, I had the same one, but it broke. Okay. I don't have a screw. Oh, it comes with... See, it works. I did it. It works. I'll put it here. Yippee! I'm so tired. Guys, bear with me because my room is really messy. But I'm planning to order stuff in AliExpress to like decorate my room more. Oh, and Ikea did not have the chair that I wanted for my desk. So that's really unfortunate, but it is what it is. I installed the pegboard. Actually, my dad did, and I'm going to be putting random stuff in it, so... This is where I'll keep all my photos. So this is temporary because my laptop holder is in boxes and we haven't gotten it because it's coming by Friday. So this is what I have for now. Hi guys, it's 4 days after we moved in, and I got like the boxes that I packed from Dubai. I got this thing here, and I have a lot of things to fix. Oh, and yeah, look guys, I got my CD player.
Yeah, you wanna see the music?
I'm gonna clean up my clothes. So it's been 1 to 2 weeks and I received some things that I ordered. Cool, it's small, I think. It is. Have the mat place. Decided to put it here next to my... Okay, so this is my skincare slash makeup trolley. Up here, I have my makeup. Here is my skincare. And the pouch over there is actually my brushes because I don't have like a brush holder yet. I have like my hair accessories. So this is the final look of the room. I have a bunk bed now since we bought one. My sister's sleeping on the top there. So next to the side table, I have my drawer and my TV, and then here to the right I have like my jackets and my sister's. Here I have just a stand, my bags, toys, books, my skincare trolley and makeup, and then I have my desk. So I updated this area actually. I added these stuff given by my friends and it's cute, so I just put it there. I have my photo booth pictures, random keychains, hair ties, my duck, and yeah, that's basically it. So that will be it for today's vlog. Actually, filming this vlog was like really hectic and unorganized because I had to film videos weeks apart, because usually the stuff that I ordered or like my boxes came like days after I last filmed the video, so editing this seemed so confusing. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed filming it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you on my next one. Bye bye.